What's up, y'all? Happy Wednesday, happy hump day to you. Another day in the market. Let's get it on. Got the Feds come on today and speak about the interest rate cut. I think it's priced in. I think everybody should know since last year. That we not gonna get a cut for January. He said he's only gonna give us one cut for the year 2026. It's probably gonna be 25 points. Fetterman Powell get out of office in May, so Trump gonna put somebody in there that aligns with him. We're gonna do what he tell him to do. It's gonna be his puppet. So when Trump say cut, new Fedman, the Fed woman's gonna cut, but that won't happen until May. So won't see nothing with that until really June once he get out the office. It'll be already May. So June will be the earliest. But subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel. Also, that could make the market sell off a little bit. Every time before he comes on, the market always tanks. He talks uh dovish, soft and say stuff people want to hear, the market gonna go up. But if he be hawkish, aggressive, it's gonna come on down, and that's when we're gonna buy stocks. Have your buy limits ready. All right, urgent buys, urgent sales. Not really, man. Got Intel, INTC. That's having a good day if it didn't come down along with the market, which it shouldn't have. Y'all know last week this was up to 51 bucks. I got two positions in this one. I'm holding this for the long term. I certainly sold what I did have before. In the past, if you can look right here, I sold 22 shares. I would have had 42. So I would have been up double what I am now. Would have been up $1,100, probably 1,200 bucks right about now, but it's all good. I got another position with at least 60 shares, but I sold that and put it into YMAX, something that pay out every month. You can also go there right now and take it to YMAX. Y'all go get a piece of that. I went and got $3 worth already, just dollar cost averaging on the days it's down, especially at the 980 and under. Not loading up, buying full shares in another portfolio. I went and got one at like 976 with my Charles Schwab, because you cannot buy fractional shares. That's one thing great about Robinhood. Go to LFT, going at $1.34 today. Setting this up for a future swing trade. Does pay a 16% yield. Dang, 1.34. Simple. But if you're not down with this one, don't buy. There's other dividend plays out there. Just I'm already in it, so I'm stuck. I know I like trading my way up out of stuff instead of taking the L's. Got WP came down today. Like it's coming back down. This pays out every week. I went and got $5 worth for this today. Actually, what was the day's low? I brought at 40.80. Got down to 40.02. Made a new 52-week low. That's why I tell you, don't load up on these weekly pairs, especially these new ones. Just look at them and observe the way they move. Like I said, get your $2, $3, $1 a day recurrence, so that way you never loading up, but you always staying close to the average cost, and the dividend yield should put you over the dividends. When you load up, you're taking more risk just in case it comes down. Go with HPP. Y'all should know to stay out of this one. I'm in it. Salon my average cost. Like I say, waiting on some good news on this one. Especially if they get a merger, like a lot of other REITs and BDCs I see doing. Charge point got down to 664. Start getting one share of this every day. Piece that together, like I say. So when this one to take off, I'll be in the driver's seat. BTCC. That's why I like to use margin, because I make money off of Robinhood money. Going in at 2090. That was the low for yesterday. Time was under 21 bucks. I go buy it, so I'm leave that there. BF B, Brown Foreman. I went and got a little bit of this today. Got down to 26.65. Y'all know they got to think the tariffs is off for now, I want to say, but it's still a threat. 52-week high, 38.85 with 3.4% dividend yield. Like I said, a lot of people are drinking less, so I ain't gonna lie, BF.B and DEO is another one I'm gonna get up out of. Like I said, generations are drinking less. Everywhere you go now, you see the risk of cancer for drinking liquor now, alcohol. And a while back, I did a video saying they gonna start to put on the bottles that they got drive responsibly on them. They also gonna add to them high risk of cancer. Consuming this product. So that's another thing I think that's going to deter people from drinking too. But this DEO $4.58. But yeah. So I would say if you're not in these, stay out of them, because I'm gonna make my exit. So I don't want y'all to be in nothing that I'm gonna get out of. And if you are in it, if you are up, just go in and exit, man, and buy dividend stock. But you CEO of your portfolio, so you gotta do what's best for you. NFL wide Netflix. I'm gonna go get a piece of that. This is cheap. Netflix gonna be down a while. NFL wide payout every week. We're gonna go with NFLX. Y'all go get some Netflix too. Got down to 84.85. It's at 84.62 now. So go get that at market price. IWMY, like it's been coming down a little bit. It was at 20.40 earlier. Pays out every week. I'm at 22.17. Go get $3 worth of that. Doing options on the Russell 2000. Got Vici. 20.43, 28.43. I'm at 28.15, 6% yield. Go get some of that, a little bit of that to add on to that position. Got KHC, Kraft Foods under the $24 mark. Just go get a piece of that. And I load up under the $23 mark. They had a buy order at $22.70. 6.8% dividend yield with that one. BULL Bull down to $7.59. Get $3 worth of Bull. Got ticker MED, Metafast. Stay out of this one. Another one I got to trade myself up out of. Got Hood, HOOD. It's at 104. Go get you some of that. Got SOFI, SoFi, got 25.16 today. 25.09. This is the future of the banks right here. USFR with its 4.45% dividend yield, pay out every month. Go get you some of that. This is a bond. Nice place to park cash. The SRLN 4124 is at 4122 now. Definitely about to get this one in my Cash App portfolio. Need that 6.67% yield. All right, just for my list, let's go check out traps. As you can see, like I say, the Fed coming on to talk today. See the market selling off, which is normal. Just check, see what happened after 2:30, around 3 o'clock should tell you where the market is going. But then also you gotta remember, if they don't do the debt ceiling tomorrow, the 29th. What's the day? The 28th. Tomorrow, they got tomorrow. You get everything in order for the shutdown. If they don't have it in order by 12 o'clock a.m. On the 30th, y'all could wake up on Friday morning with alerts of the government in another shutdown. But I think if it does this time, it's going to be a little more crucial than what it was last time. Just my personal opinion. I don't do politics, but I think a lot of it had to do with that was around shut down in October, but it led until November. But you had Thanksgiving and Christmas around the corner, and he took away the SNAP benefits too. So that I think that had a lot to do with them, making sure people had food to eat and all going into the holidays. But y'all got to remember right now, there are no family gathering type of uniting holidays like Christmas and Thanksgiving coming up. It's February. Next month is Black History Month, which people don't care about. Then you got St. Patrick's Day, which ain't no big holiday. I mean, just a holiday you get drunk on, and if you're Irish. And then you got, Mother's Day coming up, which mostly everybody go out to eat. That's April. No, what's April? Is April Mother's Day? No, Easter, which is God's day. That might can give you a helping hand. People, unite and have dinner and stuff. But most people go to church and go out to eat afterwards. Then May you got Mother's Day. People go out to eat for that one. June, Father's Day. Most people go out and eat. So yeah. So just looking at it from the SNAP benefit stance, just in case they take those away again, and you go see people rioting and acting crazy and stealing. But that's why I say I think it can go deeper this time here, because you don't have any of those holidays coming up. And if they freeze them healthcare benefits again, that's gonna lead into something else too. But I don't know, man. Just so I tell you, put your money in the market. Excuse me, got tongue tied there. But put your money in the market. I say that because not money is everything. Money can solve money problems. But staying in the United States, you got to have money. Staying here, having God is good, but having God plus money is better. So make sure you got some money coming in. Dividend stocks, they're gonna pay you whether the economy is up or down. No matter what's going on, you will get your dividend. That has nothing to do with the government. That doesn't do with no SSI or anything else. So just for you to know that. Brandywine came down, had ex-dividend date. Want to see what this gonna do. 281. Y'all stay out of this one also. Had a little bit of cash flow on with that one. Alright. Let's finish this trade up. Got VG, BGS Foods. Just don't go below the $4 mark. Nice 17% yield, but don't touch this until it drops under $4 if you're going to deal with it. 367 is the low. Load up at 380 and under. But this seemed to touch below 4 and seemed to always go back up though. Redwood Trust, another one I like. Nice 12% dividend yield there. I forgot to go in and put my sell order in for those bank stocks. Think I'm gonna exit the bank sector. I don't know if y'all read my video. I exited my position in my Weeble portfolio of ORC at 834. Not telling y'all to do it. This one here I'm keeping. Thinking about taking that profit though. See, I'm up 1272, but I'm gonna let it run because it got a 52-week high at $9. Reason I did in my Weeble portfolio, I owe $40,000 in margin. I had $26,000, 26 and some change. Let's say 20. We'll call it like 26,500 something bucks. Anyway, I sold it at 834. Took all that. Now my margin is at 14,000. I got ARR. I want that to get to 1921 before I sell it. It's at like 18 something now. I'm going to take my position out of that where I got a sell order in there. I'm going to sell that position. I'm going to keep my one here. All right, DISO, we're going to get this. Anyway, I'm going to sell that one. About time that get to 1912, if it does, that's going to be like probably 9,000 something, maybe 10. Then I'm going to take CRF, the remaining whatever I need to pay the thing off, but the margin off. But if it take 2 months for ARR to get to 19 something, I mean, I'm going to get the dividends for those months anyway. It's going to knock down my margins, which means I'm going to need to sell less to get up out of it. But I just want to get from under that one. And I still should have MITT here. Just going to grab a little bit of this. Still should have at least $3,000 a month coming in. So, but it'll be all mine that I can touch. And I'm going to take that and I don't need it yet to live off, but I'm going to get like a YMAG or something that pay out weekly with it and increase my dividends. Because I was getting like 17% for those 3 stocks. I'm going to try to get something at least 30%. But if the market come down, OXLC going to come down with it. So I'm going to probably just put it there. That's a 30% yield. They'll pay out every month, which I need to come down in anyway. So I'll get some ULTYs or probably just some YBIT. Because people, they still, believe that Bitcoin is going to get up to $200,000 to $450,000 in the future. So I can just lower my average cost on that one, buy a couple shares on that one every week, and lower my MSTYs and all of them, the ones that staying stable. But the ones that keep making new 52-week lows, probably just gonna let those ride and reinvest those dividends to another play like I always do. We got Bullhood and SoFi. Got WPay. Like PYPY getting whooped. 3805. There you go, 52-week low, 3805. That's why I say ones like this making new 52-week lows probably gonna be the ones you're gonna want to stay out of. But let me just see for now. Still gonna get a dividend for it. I got them on a $1-a-day recurring anyway. PayPal maybe can turn around, but I don't think they're the company they was back in the day. ACHR, definitely get this one on the pullback. This is a long-term play here. I think I got this on a $1-a-day recurring right here. This is defense stock, the Dow Jones Aerospace and Defense ETF. You can see right here is what it got: General Electric, Boeing, L3 Harris, Howmet Aerospace, or Howmet, General Dynamics, RTX Corp, Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, TransDigm, and Exxon. So that's what we got there. And I added this one, XXV. So, but yeah. But that's it, man. Signing off. Y'all stay cool out there. I think the day gonna be a warmer day from what it was. I know Savannah's 8 degrees warmer, which I take that all day. I'm not really a cold person. I like to stay inside, but not real cold. Signing off, man. Go get your money.